Welcome to my house. I'm about to show y'all a preview. This is the dirty dishes. This is the stove. Not clean yet. Yes, this is our food. We're homeless. Help us. Yeah, so that's the bread. That's the wires light. Singles to go. Onion slice. Fruity Pebbles. We keep them Fruity Pebbles. Pebbles. You got the Cocoa Pebbles. Oatmeal, you know, when you're on the computer. You go to my computer. Looking so clean, so fresh. Let me turn it on for y'all. Do y'all see that? Look. Do y'all see that?
Yeah, you smell.
I'm clowning on you, hoes. Got my bro hat.